Outer door handle removal, 1996 Honda Civic. Tools required will be a 10mm flathead screwdrivers and a trim tool. You will also need all the tools to remove the inner door panel, covered in another video. Start by removing the inner door panel. You now have access to the back of the outer door handle. Start by unclipping the door lock assembly. You can then unclip the door latch assembly located here. We used a trim tool. You can now remove the two 10mm fasteners holding the back of the door handle in place. Next, unclip the door lock assembly from the back of the door handle. Here's a close-up of that clip and how it works. You can now remove the outer door handle from the door.